Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you here's what makes your resume stand out, tips that makes a perfect resume. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Understand what the hiring supervisor is searching out. Before you start developing your resume, overview the activity posting and the company's website. Take cautious attention whilst figuring out what you intend to encompass. Focus at the company's culture, key phrases you need to consist of and what's anticipated of you. 2. Tailor it on your enterprise and the task you're making use of. 4. Be positive to consist of prioritize employment level in that showcases relevant qualifications. If you're making use of for activity as a newspaper reporter, the hiring supervisor might advantage extra from understanding approximately your abilities as a university reporter than as a babysitter. Include handiest applicable positions that permit your destiny company recognize what they're searching out in an employee. 3. Include a header and precis or goal. Recruiters evaluation a big quantity of resumes every day. Including a header and precis or goal can assist hiring managers observe your resume amongst others. When including a header, ensure your call is on the very top. If you've got space, make the font length barely larger. Include your address, or simply metropolis and state, telecell smartphone wide variety and electronic mail address. Include touch records in which the hiring supervisor is maximum probably to attain you. 4. Add pertinent abilities. Just like together along with your preceding positions, best consist of abilities that might be precious to the placement you're making use of. 4. Check the task posting for abilities or necessities that the hiring supervisor is searching out. For example, list your know-how of layout software program and packages could be precious competencies to consist of while making use of for a photo layout position. 5. Keep it concise. While a resume may be pages, maximum need to be simply 1. This is frequently the case for entry-degree applicants with minimum level in. As you draft your resume, make certain you're simplest along with records that might assist you stand out in opposition to the competition. Avoid redundancy and fluff. 6. Make it visually appealing. While recruiters will respect a well-designed resume, ensure your creativity is expert. Here are some matters to recollect while designing a current resume. Font style, make positive the font you operate is legible. User expert font like Georgia, Times New Roman, Calibri, or Helvetica. Font length. Choosing an appropriately sized font will make sure a recruiter's cap potential to examine the content material of your resume. Size 12 font need to suffice. Template, keep your designs minimum and aesthetically appealing. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.